All right, we're going to be filling out our back view, and we're going to be doing 2 drawers in our cabinet. So I've got my front view open here. This is where we're going to pull the sizes off of for this particular example. Now, this one is 27 1/4 inches tall without the top. So I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to plug that number in here. 27 space 1/4 divided by 27 space 1/4 inches. So put the inch marks on there when you're filling it out so we have the right unit. All right, so let's look at how wide the cabinet is. Down here I can see it's 24 inches wide, so I can plug that number in down here at the bottom, 24 inches wide. All right, so now this first shelf size here on the right side here, as I look at this, how high this should be. Now this is going to be a drawer down here in the bottom, okay? And this is going to be the supports where the glides or the drawer rollers are attached to. So we have 4 inches to this bottom of this opening. And so really this plane or this line right here, this top edge, and I'll click on it and make it blue so you can see it better. Okay, this top line should be the same as the bottom of these pieces. So if I have 4 inches here, this number here is going to transfer over to 4 inches. Now, as far as how far down we should be, the same thing is going to apply here. The bottom on the right side here, the bottom of these drawer slide supports is going to be the same plane as the top line here. Now, we could do some math and figure this out. If we don't have the dimension, we could simply pull from the bottom of the top to that top shelf. And I am getting 11 1/2 inches to this top line here all the way up to the top. So that's where this dimension is, all the way to the bottom of the top, all the way to here. So this number should be 11 1/2 inches, 11 1/2 inches. So what do we have left here? We have some inside sizes that we need to figure out. So if we have an overall size of 24 inches and we have a 3/8 rabbet, all right, we can see that identified right up here, 3/8 rabbet. That means what's cutting into the side, 3/8 of an inch on each side. 3/8 on one side and 3/8 on the other. That's 3/4 of an inch total. So we're going to take 24 inches minus 3/4 of an inch, and that's going to be 23 1/4 inches. Okay, 23 1/4 inches. That's how long that bottom shelf or plywood is, and that's how long these cleats need to be. Now we're looking for an inside measurement as well. So we know that the plywood is 3/4 of an inch. We can see that right here, okay, and this side, and 3/4 here. So we're going to take 3/4 and 3/4, or 75 cents and 75 cents. That's $1.50 or 150. So we're going to take 24 minus 150 or 1.5, and that's going to be our answer here. So this number should be 22 1/2 inches. Okay, so 22 1/2, because 24 minus that $1.50 would be 22.50. Okay, so there would be how you would fill out or get the sizes for your project plans for the back view specifically if you have 2 drawers in your cabinet. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, ask your instructor.